Anthony G13 reporting at the scene. Heavy police presence in the area. A 70-year-old man has sadly been struck by a train and is trapped. An urban search and rescue team has started a rescue operation in attempts to rescue the man from under the train. Luckily, the man is conscious and he is breathing. However, he is injured. We have urban search and rescue units on scene, as well as Menlo Park police, as well as specialized units. We do have a heavy rescue squad on team attempting to rescue the man from under the trains. Menlo Park's urban search and rescue heavy rescue squad is on scene, as well as Woodside's heavy rescue squad 407. Coming to help the injured individual. Train is stopped there. Emergency personnel are at scene currently. Anthony G13 reporting at the scene. A 70-year-old man has currently been struck by a train. A rescue operation is underway. Multiple firefighters over there assisting. A usar team has been requested to the scene to help assist in the rescue of the man. The man is currently trapped under the train and is injured. However, he is breathing. It seems his lower body is the part that's injured, but a rescue operation is currently underway by Menlo Park Fire. The area has been taped off, as you can see. Menlo Park Fire District Heavy Rescue on scene, as well as Heavy Rescue 7. The man has been rescued. Police are taking down the tape. His condition is unknown. Menlo Park Fire Heavy Rescue, as well as Heavy Rescue 7. The man has been safely rescued. Menlo Park Police leaving the scene back there. Menlo Park Fire. Incident is clearing up. Situation seems to be under control now. Truck 2 from Menlo Park, as well as Heavy Rescue and Urban Search and Rescue, all on scene. The man has been rescued.